Hey guys, welcome to my TikTok. This is the first time I'm doing this. So this is a recap for our trip to Colombia, or vacation really. So here you can see we're flying in overhead of the city of Cartagena. Flying into the airport. So it's a JetBlue flight. They have direct flights there. You have Avianca as well. That's your native airline for Colombia. We went ahead with the option for JetBlue because it's a 5-hour trip, and it's just a direct flight. It just makes sense. So we did that. We landed there. I think we took off at 9. We landed at around 1 o'clock or close to 2 o'clock in the morning. As you can see, it's a lot of water in that area. Fun fact about that area, it's quite swampy. So it's like a swampy area, a lot of water around there and stuff like that. So that's really unique. So we landed safely. It was a really decent flight. The longest flight we have been on so far. So here we are. There's no jet bridge. It's a very small airport. So you walk off the plane so you can take a picture and stuff like that. The airport was really nice as well. Here we are walking in, going into immigration to basically check in and stuff like that, stamp your passport to basically enter the country. So here we are at the immigration checkpoint. It wasn't full on that day. So this is the outside of the airport. So here we are. The thing too with Colombia, the taxis, as you can see at the side of the door, you see the license plate number right there. It's very close to the city as well. You come off, you exit, and you're into the town of Cartagena, which is really nice. That's me right there, my big belly. But yeah, it was a good trip. Here you can see also the trip going to the hotel. So we're going, I would say, east to Manzanillo. That's where the hotel was. So we're going to we're going to Cartagena in Manzanillo. They're fixing up that area as well. There's a lot of hotels going up. You have a lot of apartments going up, so there's a lot of infrastructure projects going on. It's quite unique as well. There seemed to be a new bridge that was built. We're about to go on it soon. New bridge that was built to connect Cartagena to the Manzanillo area. And it's over like swamp water, so it was really unique to see those features as well. So it's a big bridge. It's a long bridge, and it's one way going in and one way going out, so you don't really have more traffic, and that's what I really like about it as well. So here you can see the hotel, Emilia Cartagena, Carmara. This is the front of the hotel when we went in. It's really nice. It's a unique hotel. It's very stylish, and we really enjoyed it. So yeah, this was a really good trip. Thanks for watching, guys.